What's up, guys? I'm Dylan and got a decent day out here, so I figured I'd take a little walk around of my 06 Pontiac GTO. So it's a, like I said, 06 Pontiac GTO. It is a spice red metallic. Oh, the shifter too is MGWP short shifter, made for the GTOs, I believe, specifically. As far as the engine goes, now with the engine, I have a what they called their mild cam from Baker Engineering here in Michigan. Look them up. I believe TJ's still around there. He was the one that installed my cam and tuned it and whatnot. So I've got that cam. I have Cook's 1 3/4, I believe, headers, long tube on that. I have the DoSpeed cold air intake. When I got it, it was the best one on the market at that time, and they painted it spice red for me. It's a company out of Australia, so shipping was kind of outrageous, but I think it was worth it. I have a fast 102 intake on it, as well as the Nick Williams 102 throttle body. So that's pretty much all that's been done to the engine. I'm kind of thinking of getting heads this year, hopefully the TRICKFLOW, if I do get them. So that's, as far as I know, all that's been done to the engine. I've got some low ring springs on it. Can't remember exactly how much. I still have drag bags in the bag. I got them. That was the first thing I bought when I got the car, was the drag bags. So, you know, I figured I might as well keep them after I got the low ring springs. I've replaced a few bushings just to make the ride a little nicer. But other than that, you know, I've done a little bit of suspension stuff, a little bit more on the engine, short shifter, just because the original shifter was all over the place. So, but yeah, I've got some plans on things I want to do with it and things I need to fix on it. I know I'm hoping to do some videos on fixing some things on the car this year yet, so it'll be fun. I know for sure I'll do some videos driving around in the car, but until then, I'll do a little exhaust clip for you.